Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe and good. Today in this session, you are going to learn conversation and general awareness. In conversation, you are going to learn family of and words, reading and word of the day. Next, in general awareness, you are going to learn how to make a fruit basket and about color patterns. Come on children, let's get into the class.
Hi children, now we are going to see family of and words. Listen to these words: b and ban, k and can, f and fan, m and man, p and pan, ir and ran, h and han, v and van, t and tan, w and van, n and nan, l and lan, j and jan, is and san. Have you all listened these words, kids? All these words ends with and sound. Repeat along with me. Ban, can, fan, man, pan, ran, han, van, tan, van, nan, lan, jan, san. Family of and words. Family of and words. Children, listen to these words. Listen to these words. What is the sound that you hear in all of them? What is the sound that you hear in all of them? If and fan, k and can, m and man, ir and ran, p and pan, fan, can, man, ran, pan. Children, let's speak something.
What is your father?
My father is a doctor.
What is your mother?
My mother is a homemaker.
Who is he?
He is my father.
Who is she?
She is my mother.
Do you have sister?
Yes, I have sister.
How many sisters do you have?
I have one elder sister.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Rita.
Do you have brother?
Yes, I have brother.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one younger brother.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Raja.
Where do you live?
I live in Puducherry. Children, listen these questions and answers carefully. Repeat these questions and answers. Practice well. Thank you. Hi children. Today's word of the day is have. I have a pencil. Would you like to have some juice? Have you got an eraser? Hi kids, this is your conversation worksheet number 2. Please write your name and section. Keep finger in Roman number 1. Circle the correct phonics. Circle the correct phonics. Now see here in number 1. Look at the first picture. What picture is this? This is fan. Say all of you. Fan. What's the beginning sound of fan? Very good. Now see here. Is this if? No. Is this if? Yes. Now circle the sound if. Now keep finger in 2. Look at this picture. What is this? This is an ice cream. Say again. Ice cream. What's the beginning sound, ma? I. Now circle the sound I. Now keep finger in 3. Look at this picture. What picture is this? This is a bunch of grapes. A bunch of grapes. Grapes. What's the beginning sound? G. G. Now look at here. Look at these 3 sounds. Where is G? Here it is. Now circle the sound G. Now move your finger, ma. Keep finger in 4. What picture is this? A glass of juice. This is a glass of juice. Juice. J. Beginning sound is J. In this, you have to circle J. J. Now move your finger to the 5th one. 5. Look at this picture. What picture is this? Hat. This is a hat. Hat. What's the beginning sound? H. Look at these 3 sounds. Look at these 3 sounds. Now circle the sound H. We will finish this worksheet in our Zoom class, okay? Now turn the next page. Children, keep finger in Roman number 2. Circle the picture that sounds B. Circle the picture that sounds B. Can you say what sound is this? B. Look at these pictures around the sound. Now we are going to circle the picture that starts with the sound B. Now we'll start from here. What picture is this? This is a ball. Say all of you. Ball. B. Ball. Now circle the picture. Ball. Move on to the next one. What is this? This is an arrow. Arrow is a arrow. It's not B. So we should not circle here. Now move on to the next one. What is this? This is a butterfly. 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 Now circle the picture. Butterfly. See the next one. What picture is this? Cap. Cap. It's not starting with the sound B. So we should not circle this. Now move to the next one. What is this? This is a pot. Pot. Pot is also not starting with the sound B. So we should not circle this also. Now the next one, bee. This is a bee. Bee. Circle the picture, bee. We'll complete these worksheets in our Zoom class.
Color patterns. Color patterns. Observe the color patterns. Observe the color patterns. Children, can you tell me what shape is this? This is a oval. The first one is in yellow. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Again yellow. What is the next shape? Yes, you are right. It's star. What is the color of the first star? It's red. And the next one is pink. Again, the patterns follow. The pattern follows as red, pink, again red. What is the shape of the third one? It's rectangle. The first is in green and then blue. The patterns again follow as green, blue, green. Next one is I have seen some color patterns around me. These are. I have seen some color patterns around me. These are. Children, can you guess what is this? Yes, this is a chessboard. And what is this? It's a stripe. You can see this on a zebra. And what are these? These are colored lights. Rashita is helping her parents decorate her home. Draw and color the patterns to decorate this house. Fill colors of your choice on the walls, windows, the door and the roof. What picture can you see here? This is a house. So you have to decorate this house with the patterns. What patterns can you see here? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, again circle, triangle. So next what you have to draw? Again you have to draw circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle and triangle. So you have to draw circle and triangle to complete this pattern. See the color of this? The first triangle should be in red and the next one is green. So again red, green, red, green. Like the same, you have to draw and color the patterns. Now see here, what shape is this? This is triangle. What color they have given here? Red, yellow, red, and then what color have to come? It's yellow. After yellow, yes, you are right, red. And see here, what shape are these? Circle and triangle. See the color of this? The circle is in violet color and the triangle is in yellow. Like the same, you have to draw here and color it. Children, you will be doing this activity in your Zoom class. For doing fruit basket activity, we are in need of crayons, straws, glue, a pair of scissors and color papers of purple, green and red. Shall we start? Yes. Children, this is our fruit basket. Can you see the fruits here? Name the fruits. A bunch of grapes, an apple and a pear. Can you see a basket here? First, you have to color the basket with brown color. So, take the color brown and start coloring evenly. Children, don't come out of the line. Color within the basket. See how I am coloring? Like this. Color it slowly. Don't be hurry. See now? Now we have colored the basket. Now what fruit is this? This is a bunch of grapes. Can you tell the color of the grapes? The grapes will be in three colors: purple, green and black. Now you have to take a purple color for this. See, take a purple color paper. You have to tear this paper into small pieces and paste it in the bunch of grapes. Tear the paper into small pieces. Like this, you have to tear the paper into small pieces. After tearing the paper, take a glue and apply it on the grape. Now, take the paper and paste it. Likewise, you have to do for the bunch of grapes. Children, see, now we have pasted purple color for the bunch of grapes. Next, what fruit is this? This is an apple. Can you tell me what is the color of an apple? Yes, it's red. So, you have to take a red color paper. Like the same, you have to tear the red color into small pieces and paste it for the apple. Children, take out the red color paper and first tear it a small piece. And again, now tear into small pieces. See how ma'am is doing? Like this, you have to tear. Now, take the glue and apply it on the apple. take the paper and paste it. Don't leave any gaps. Children, see, now our apple is ready. The next fruit is pear. What is the color of pear? It's green. So, have to take a green color paper. You have to tear the paper. As we did before, you have to first tear the paper. After that, tear it into small pieces. Then, apply the glue on the pear. Now, start pasting the pieces of green paper on the pear. While you pasting the paper, don't leave any gaps. Children, now we have pasted the paper for the fruits. Now, take a brown crayon, color the stem. Now, take the straw. You have to paste the straw on the basket. Cut the straw according to the length of the basket. See now, have to paste like this. Apply the glue and paste the straw. Children, now our fruit basket is ready. We will be doing this activity in our Zoom class. Thank you, children.
Hi kids, I hope you all enjoyed this session very much. We'll meet in the next session. Bye.